friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have more entries to share with you for our Heidi Swapp Pastel Pink Memorydex Spinner giveaway plus more. I don't know if y'all have seen, I have posted on social media, and I think I did go back to my original giveaway video that I'm extending it. I have been asked by a few people to extend it, so I did till the 15th of March. So you have until the 15th of March to get your entries in my hands, and all I'm asking is for a couple of Memorydex cards, so that shouldn't take too long. If you want to know about the rules of the entries, I can go ahead and leave you with the link to my blog post that explains everything. I'll leave you with that link in the description area of my YouTube video. So yeah, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. This entry right here, let me put this one down. This entry right here is sent to us from Pebbles. Hi, Pebbles. She is Goalita's Creations. Yeah, and let's see what Pebbles sends us. So, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Look at this. I hope that I'm in frame. Look at this. And here is her second. Oh my gosh. This is, you know what? Which one for me? Which one for me? I'm going to have to decide which one of these is going to be for me and which, although I'm leaning towards this one and this one for the winner. Oh my goodness, look at this purse. It's so super cute. I don't want to take them out of the packaging. So this one says, be happy, be bright, be you. And that is from Pebbles, and she has her P.O. box and everything. I think I'm going to keep this one. Yeah, let me go ahead and keep this one because I love it. I love that, whatchamacallit, watercolor roses and everything. And oh my gosh, speaking of which, just y'all wait till next month's scrapbook paper collection. Shameless plug there. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I love it. And it's thick, chunky, how I like it. It's a chunky monkey. I love it. I wonder what material did you use, Pebbles? I don't want her information to show, so that's why. Pebbles, could you please tell me what material this is? And if it's cheaper than watercolor paper. Because I go through watercolor paper like water. I love this. And what do we have here to Sandy from Pebbles? And we have a nice looking 3x3 card. It says, God is with you wherever you go. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Aww. Sandy, here's my entry to your giveaway. I noticed you misplaced your letter opener. That's right. I'm sending you one that I made. Oh my gosh! Qualita's Creations. I'm doing the happy dance on my chair. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Well, oh, here's the scissors. Yeah, I love it because, this is what I'm using, girl. And sometimes I forget which end is, the thing goes. And one time I almost cut myself. And this is sharp. Girl, this is sharp. Don't let the little cutesy whatever fool you. It's sharp. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So cute. So cute. Look at this. It is gold. I love blingy stuff. Look at it. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Listen. I love that sound. And it feels so nice. I don't know about everybody else, but are you a tactile person? Like whenever you touch things and they feel so good and you just want to keep touching them, I'm like that, and so is my son. I just love that. And then the sound, it's kind of like ASMR, it's soothing to hear. So I love this. Thank you so much. So this is Pebbles entry, and I will log everything down in my book. And so here we go. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. And now let's check out Phyllis's entry. So as you can see, we have this box that I just so now opened. And let me try again, because I don't think I did a good job. Okay. Here we go. And we have the good. I like wrapping stuff up like this too, so we can just get rid of the box. Okay. Over here. Oh, look at this. It says love notes. Love notes. Hi, Sandy. Thank you for a chance to win the memdex spinner. This was fun. And it's from Phillis. Take care. Hugs, Phyllis. Look at this note. Well, you are so welcome, Miss Phyllis. And I am going to hang on to this because just the other day I saw a video on TikTok on how I could make tassels. And it's so super easy. You got to put a string there, and then you got to do another string here, and then with the scissors you cut, and that's it. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, oh gracious. Excuse me a second. Water. It's good for you. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but it helps your throat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you ladies, I swear you ladies are gonna, oh my gosh. 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 What is this? We'll open it in a little bit. Okay. I'm keeping all of it. No, I can't. I'm keeping this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hang on a second. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Talk about a chunky monkey. Look at this, guys. Look at it. Look at it. It's got everything. It's like they say in a movie, it's got everything. It's got drama, it's got mystery, it's got love. This one's got dyes, it's got butterflies, it got pastel, it got bling, it has bling, it has this, it has that. I love it. Oh my goodness. It even has these, what do you call it? Gosh, I remember I ordered me a whole bunch of them and I just give them away because I hardly ever get a chance to use them. Gosh, what are they called? They're made of like, it's balsa wood. No, it's not balsa wood. I forget. It's some sort of very light wood. And they do like the die cut with laser dies, laser die cut. And they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I wish we had a store here in the U.S. that made these, because if and when I order these, excuse me, I have to get them from Poland. And even though their prices are fantastic, their shipping is through the roof, And see, she's got 3. 1, 2, 3. Always do the odd numbers because that's somehow more aesthetically pleasing to our eyes. And I love that. I love this big, huge butterfly. She layered it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. I never thought of doing that. I really, really love thick, chunky Memorydex cards. And look over here, she put the little bling. It's a cage. I hope that y'all can see it. It's a cage there with a pearl, dangling pearl there. excuse me, I forget what you call this type of mesh, but I do want to get my, and look at this one, guys. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at the butterfly. Again, it's layered. A layered butterfly with, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Purple. It's so like elegant. That's the word. Elegant. It's chunky and elegant. Look, it even has a high heel shoe. Something that I haven't been able to wear like maybe in a decade or two. Here we go. Look at that. And it's also a shaker. Look at that. My throat. Sorry. And it's also a shaker. So yeah, this is going to go for the winner, Phyllis. And what is this? Oh! Did you make these? These are like embroidery. Did I say it right? And I've seen these bags, little baggies at Temu. I went ahead and ordered me some stuff for like Happy Mail and thing to put them away in. And so, yeah, I'm looking forward to getting that shipment. It's on its way. Look at this. Did you make these? Look at that. How cute they are. Look at that. I want to learn how to make sweaters. I love sweaters. I want to learn how to knit because knitting, you can take it anywhere with you. It's not, it's not like die cutting. You can take it anywhere with you. No, you have to be in a craft room. But this, like when I'm waiting for doctor's appointments and stuff like that, I could knit. Oh my goodness, and it feels so good. It's so soft, y'all. Look, this is where they try to poke me, when they put the bag of, whatchamacallit, happy juice, they call it, when I was having my surgery, when I had my surgery the other day. And so this one didn't go through. So they tried it over here somewhere. She was wanting to try it here. And here. And that one didn't go through. This was painful, y'all. Not only was it stinging, it was burning, and I was like cringing, and they finally got it in there. So I'm like, oh my gosh, my arms are looking like a heroin addict because I get poked. That's the one part that I hate. It's like when I have to go get a procedure done because of the way my as you can see, They call mine roly-poly veins because they move everywhere as they're trying to poke them. Okay, they move. And so, I become a pin cushion, a very painful pin cushion, I may add. So, yeah, so... I was off on a tangent there, but yeah, thank you so much. These feel so good. So yeah, y'all have until the 15th if you're interested in that giveaway. And I also have a separate giveaway. And I guess I'll go ahead and link you to that one too. It's right here for watching a video, my last video, which is called the Attaché mini album featuring March release, our March paper release for spring and Easter, made by yours truly. So yeah, thank you so very much, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.